Before you turn 70, there are 7 things in your home that may be quietly stealing your peace, your energy, and your happiness. They don't look dangerous. They don't make noise. And some of them you've kept for decades. But here's the truth most seniors are never told. Not everything you keep is honoring your life. Some things are anchoring you to pain, guilt, or a past you already survived. Letting go can hurt, but holding on hurts longer. Stay until the end because number 7 is the hardest for almost every senior. Yet letting it go brings the deepest freedom. Why letting go after 60 feels so hard. After 60, objects are no longer just things. They become memories, proof of sacrifice, evidence that your life mattered. So when someone says, clean your house, it feels painful. But this is not about cleaning. This is about emotional weight. Your home should support your next chapter, not trap you in chapters you already lived. Thing number 1, clothes that no longer fit your life, not your body. Your life. Clothes you keep for a job you no longer have, events you no longer attend, a version of yourself that no longer exists. Every time you see them, they quietly say, you used to be more. That's not fair. Let them go. Not because you failed, but because you evolved. Thing number 2, broken items you keep to fix one day. That lamp, that chair, that appliance in the corner. They represent unfinished decisions. Broken items create silent stress. If it's been broken for years, it has already made its decision. Thing number 3, gifts. You never liked but feel guilty throwing away. You're not attached to the object. You're attached to the person. Keeping unwanted gifts does not prove gratitude. Letting them go does not erase love. Love lives in memory, not clutter. Thing number 4, paperwork from a life phase that is over. Old manuals, expired warranties, documents tied to jobs or homes you no longer have. These papers keep you mentally stuck in the past. Your future deserves space. Thing number 5, items connected to painful memories, photos that reopen wounds, objects tied to loss, regret, or betrayal. You've already learned the lesson. You don't need the reminder every day. Thing number 6, duplicates. You keep just in case, extra mugs, extra tools, extra kitchen items you never use. After 70, simplicity becomes strength. You need ease, not excess. Thing number 7, objects that represent who you had to be, not who you are. Items tied to pressure, survival, expectations placed on you. You don't need those reminders anymore. You've earned peace. What happens when you let go? Sleep improves. Your mind feels lighter. Your home feels calmer. Not because it's empty, but because your heart is. Before you turn 70, ask yourself, does this item support the life I want now, or the life I already survived? You deserve a home that reflects who you are today. If this video touched you, press like so more seniors can see it. Subscribe for videos made especially for adults over 60. Comment below. Which item was hardest to let go of? You've carried enough. It's okay to live lighter now.